Good afternoon, it's around 1:48 p.m. of February 28, 2013, and we're currently at 1,300 meters above sea level, and we're currently stepping on the main viewpoint of Mount Hibok Hibok. You can see here the whole island of Camiguin. The white part there is actually the White Island, and down there is one of the towns of Camiguin, and that is the Yumbing town. And right here is the central town of Camiguin, which is Mambahao. And you can see there the old airport, but this airport is only used for small airplanes. Okay. And from here you can see the other mountains of Camiguin. As you know, Camiguin is composed of 7 volcanoes, as this island is actually born by fire, which is this is the volcano, which is no longer active. And right at the back is the actual peak of Mount Hibok Hibok, which is 1,337 meters above sea level. We're currently at 37 meters short of the height of that one, but that cliff is unclimbable because of a landslide way back 1992. And from between this cliff and the Mambahao mountains, we're actually facing south right now. The farther point there is actually the mainland in Mindanao. We were actually there yesterday as we landed at Cagayan de Oro to be able to get to Camiguin. So here is Irvin William reporting to you live for Schadow1 Expeditions, after we have mapped the traverse trail of Mount Hibok Hibok from Yumbing to Ardent Hot Spring. So I'm currently here together, and our guide, I forgot the name again, Viewpoint, and my wife. And here's Irvin for Schadow1 Expeditions. Thank you for watching.